Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A pretty quiet couple of days ahead of us here with lots of sunshine. Southerly breezes for most of us, but out west more of a westerly wind, which will actually be important because I think those places with a west wind, although not very strong, will actually warm up a little bit more. It's basically a trough that's splitting the area in half. Heading into tonight, then, pretty quiet conditions overnight with mostly clear skies, lows back down in the mid and upper 20s. Tomorrow's temperatures will be warmer across the area, more of a northwesterly wind as that trough starts to shift eastward. We're looking pretty good out there for your Thursday. We have one more really warm or mild day, I should say, on Friday, and then it all comes crashing down heading into the weekend. How about today, though? Temperature-wise, warming up out there as we warm up into the 50s up north, lower 50s around Central City and in Albion, upper 50s around Ainsworth and Broken Bow. Some of your warmest temperatures out west, unless you have a lot of snow still on the ground, you might be a little cooler. One area I'll mention is Hitchcock County. They got hit hard with snow late last week, so that might be an impact there. But otherwise, mid and upper 50s to near 60 degrees. A little cooler in the south, lower 50s for the most part, maybe even upper 40s there around Mankato. And then off towards the east, these are where your coolest readings will be, upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Over the next couple of days, again, warmer for your Thursday and Friday, and you just wish it would stop right there. But unfortunately, we're going to go into the 7-day forecast, and you see right there at the end of this 3-day forecast, that's where the changes come. An Arctic cold front comes plunging in from the north. Behind that front, the winds are going to crank up Friday night. We're talking about blustery winds that could gust 30 to 40 miles per hour. Now, it's still going to be breezy on Saturday, but not as windy as Friday night. Along with the breezy conditions, we're going to see snow move in later Friday night. Could be after midnight here in the Tri-Cities, a better chance towards the daytime hours of Saturday and into Saturday evening before clearing out later in the night. Not a heavy snow event. This is mostly a light snow event that might just accumulate a little bit over time. As of right now, on the higher end of things, I would say 1 to 3 inches with those highest totals towards southwest Nebraska. Looks like there could be even more snow actually towards the panhandle of Nebraska. But again, on the higher end of things, 1 to 3 inches. The lower end, what I think is going to happen, I think most places will end up with under an inch of snow when it's all said and done. And any way you look at it, I think our lowest totals will be across the far north and the northeast. We're left with those cold conditions on Saturday. Now, the high may actually come right after midnight, Friday night, early Saturday morning. The high may actually be closer to 40 degrees. So the high I have here of 29 is probably what your warmest temperature will be anytime during the daytime hours on Saturday. That storm clears out, as I said, later on Saturday night. We're down to 18 Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon with the sunshine returning after a few clouds early. We're looking at upper 30s. Then we're back to the 50s for Monday and Tuesday of next week, and it looks like the 50s will stick around through at least next Wednesday and probably even Thanksgiving Thursday as well. Looks like a nice quiet stretch of weather through Thursday as of right now. Beyond that, forecast models do get kind of split on the timing of our next shot of colder air. Could it be Friday of next week? Could it be Saturday of next week? That's still a big question mark, but again, we'll address that as we get a little bit closer. But as of right now, again, other than the little dip in the weather here coming for this weekend, the rest of this week and most of next week are actually shaping up to be pretty darn nice. Now, of course, we have the snow on Saturday and the cold, the wind. How are things looking for the game in Lincoln? Well, the Michigan State Spartans coming in, final home game. Chance of some light snow. I don't think this is going to amount to much. At worst, an inch of snow, I think. But even then, I don't even think we'll see that much. Probably just looking at a few pockets of snow accumulation here and there, a little dusting, but I'm not looking for much snow accumulation. Temperatures will top out in the only in the 20s throughout the daytime hours, and winds will be breezy throughout the day out of the north and the northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So pretty comparable to what we saw last weekend for the game against Illinois. The only difference, throw in some snowflakes. That said, again, I don't think snow will have a major impact on this game this weekend. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you all again on Thursday. Take care. God bless.